This is everything a biscotti should be. Let's make one of my favorite nighttime cookies, the traditional Italian biscotti. Let's get started. In the bowl of my stand mixer, I'm gonna add in 3 eggs, a cup of sugar, a half a teaspoon of salt, some vanilla extract, and some anise extract. With the mixer on low, I'm gonna add in 2 cups of all-purpose flour and baking powder. And you're just gonna blend that together until it's all incorporated. Okay, our dough is done. Okay, so our dough is done. And you may be saying to yourself, Kelly, where's the oil? Where's the butter? There is no oil and there is no butter. The eggs give it the moisture that it needs, and a traditional biscotti cookie is light and crisp, and that's this batter. It is gonna stay light and it's gonna stay crisp. This is a very old school, traditional biscotti recipe. I have a baking sheet here that I lined with aluminum foil and I sprayed it with non-stick cooking spray. I'm gonna dump the dough onto the sheet pan, just like that. And then what I like to do is, because this dough is very sticky, I just like to dust my hands with some flour. And then we're just gonna shape this into a log. Okay, so once we have our dough shaped into a log, we're gonna pop it in a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes. And then once it comes out, I'll show you the next step. Okay, so our biscotti is done, and I just took it out of the oven. See how nice and golden brown it is on the bottom? So now what we're gonna do is, while it's still warm, I wanna turn it to the side, and we're gonna start cutting our biscotti cookies on an angle. Do you see this edge? Do you see this end piece? These are the perfect nighttime dip in your tea or your cappuccino cookies. So after we cut them, we're going to put them back on the same cookie sheet, and I'll show you that in a second. So I sliced up all of the biscotti, and you see, this is the shape we're looking for, the traditional biscotti shape. And we're gonna take our cookie sheet, the same one, and we're just gonna line them up face side up. So we have all of our biscotti on the sheet. Now we're gonna put the oven on 400 degrees. I'm gonna pop them back in for 10 minutes until they're toasty on both sides. Our biscotti are done, and look how beautiful they came out. They're perfectly cooked. Now we taste them. Can you hear the crunch? This is everything a biscotti should be. Completely authentic. They're crispy, untoasted on the outside. They're tender on the inside. They're beautifully flavored with that anise. So good. You have to make these. If you want the recipe for my biscotti, comment recipe in the box below, and I'll be sure to send that to your DM. Thank you so much for watching.